Welcome to Hanyu Lauscher. My name is Chamin Rana and I am going to teach you Chinese language. Lesson 2. Pinyin. As you know, Pinyin is a phonetic system of Chinese language, which is composed of three things: initials, finals and tones. Initials are like consonants, finals are like vowels and tones are voices. There are total 23 initials, 6 finals and 4 tones. But we can also say that there are 36 finals and 5 tones. These 36 finals are made up of these 6 finals. And the fifth tone is a neutral tone, which means no tone. That is why we always say that there are 6 finals and 4 tones. Composition of a Chinese pinyin word. A single word is composed of 3 things: initial, final and a tone on it. Tone is always placed on finals, not on initials. Here you can see the example of the pinyin word. First word M is the initial, A is the final, and the single line placed on A is a tone. So it makes a word. Ma, it's a pinyin word. Here are the 23 initials. We are going to pronounce these initials with Urdu pronunciation. Here is the Urdu pronunciation of the pinyin words. Now please read after me. Pa, 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 ma, ma, fa, fa, ta, ta, tha, tha, na, na, la, la, ga, ga, kha, 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 chi, 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 she, she, chair, 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 share, share, rare, rare, za, za, sa, 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 e, e, woo, woo. So these are our total 23 initials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.